kauthumnai no tini 4th February 2026 chini Saint Thomas School Korbu Subdivision High School English Medium School Aron School Authority ba Principal ni Munga Ojendro Ria ini leadership ini simbua bo parawo more than 400 plus students to bro bet thakok ji khok here ini infrastructure improper mo by government facility ma yang mo by here itu as a house of knowledge ini bo school bro bang ma student ro bobishat by kunai officer onai itu ba politician onai ba any other field by kunai wandawo sini INDC fund by here ini 80 benches and kiha xerox machine ang ya pai thaimi ro tinin bo panda from nang pandawo joro jotto dignitaries tong payu sini korbu subdivision ni from nang SDPU from nang Komanjuri apa tu sini from nang retired IAS officer ani yagra bai tongnai from nang Robindro adi ang tu abin ke ro sini district educational officer retired person sini from nang mama juina Victor photo bori keno sini social activist ro division ni from nang Nokojuri ang photo from nang Hamsiri ang photo from nang Topon Debarma photo sini honorable Omorpur Zonal Committee ni Vice Chairman from nang Molita Mohan Tripura photo abin ke sini social activist from nang Mon Kumar Debarma photo sini from nang Christian samotang ya tongnai bahin phin bapandawo Isoni kok thek thalbai kuri tongnai sini from nang Reverend Pastor ni mongam Rotnojeri ang photo phaijao arang bai bode keno tinin program le mosto kaham thongwa sini bo Saint Thomas School 14th Foundation Day ron students ni excellent performance academic ni performance program ni mosto kaham abike other co-curriculum activities program ni mosto kaham se arang bai bo school no in near future tre upgrade to tre students ni performance hamto ro tro elaka tre develop to ni ang bosu sano hambai mari